Hello friends. Before we dive right into today's story, tell me, do you enjoy listening with a cup of coffee? Or is tea your thing? Here I'm helping you discover new vocabulary, practice your listening, and enjoy the beauty of storytelling. Share your thoughts below. Don't forget to subscribe and let me know where you're watching from. I love reading your comments. They say parents carry a world of secrets in their hearts, secrets they never whisper even to the children they raised with their very blood and bones. Some truths are buried in silence, some in sacrifice, and some in the painful shadows of regret. And yet, those unspoken secrets hold the power to break or heal, to haunt or to guide. Tonight we uncover the 5 secrets parents never tell you. And once you hear them, you'll never look at your own parents the same way again. The first secret is the dreams they buried so you could live yours. You see, behind every smile your parents gave you, behind every meal cooked, every bill paid, every new pair of shoes they bought for you while wearing their old ones, there lies a story of sacrifice you never fully saw. Many parents once had dreams of their own. They wanted to travel the world, to build careers in faraway cities, to paint, to sing, to become something beyond the 4 walls of survival. But when you were born, something shifted forever. Slowly, silently, they folded away those dreams like old letters never mailed. They never told you because they didn't want you to carry the burden of guilt. They wanted you to believe they were happy, that their world was complete with you. But late at night, when you slept peacefully, they sometimes looked at the stars and wondered, what if? That's a truth most children never hear, yet it shapes the very love they receive. The second secret is the fear of becoming a burden. Parents spend their lives protecting their children, but as they age, a quiet fear creeps into their bones. That one day, the roles will reverse, and instead of giving, they will only be taking. They won't say it out loud, because they don't want to scare you or seem weak. But inside, they dread the day when their hands tremble too much to cook, when their memory fades, when their legs grow too tired to walk without help. They fear you'll grow impatient, that you'll look at them not as the superheroes you once admired, but as fragile beings slowing you down. And so, they hide their pain, their doctor's appointments, their struggles with loneliness, all because they never want you to see them as a weight you must carry. That silence is heavy, but they carry it with dignity. The third secret is the regrets they never confess. Parents will never admit the mistakes they think they made raising you, because they fear it might shatter your trust in them. Some regret the harsh words they spoke in anger. Others regret the times they weren't there when you needed them most. Moments missed because they were busy working to provide for you. Some regret not being more supportive of your dreams, or not protecting you enough from pain. But here's the haunting truth. They carry those regrets like ghosts in their hearts, whispering endlessly in the back of their minds. They'll smile and pretend they did the best they could. But in their quietest moments, they wonder if their best was really enough. And that regret is something they may take to the grave without ever telling you. The fourth secret is the love they sometimes hide. It sounds strange, doesn't it? But parents often love you far more deeply than they ever show. Some grew up in households where emotions weren't spoken, where hugs were rare and, "I love you" was almost never said. So they keep their love locked inside, showing it in hidden ways instead, through the food they cook, the money they save for you, the prayers whispered in the dark when no one hears. They might not always say the words, but their love is carved into every sacrifice they made. And here's the secret. They wish they had told you more often, but they fear the words might come out wrong, or that you might not understand the depth of it. So they keep it inside, a love too heavy for words but too endless to be hidden completely. And finally, the fifth secret is the unspoken fear of losing you. Parents will never tell you how much they dread the day you walk out for good, not just to school or work, but to a new life where they no longer come first. They'll smile when you say you're moving to another city. They'll hug you when you say you found someone to love, but deep inside, a quiet ache begins. They fear the calls will grow fewer, the visits rarer, the bond thinner. They won't confess it because they don't want to guilt you into staying, but the fear is real, that one day, they will fade into the background of your busy life, and you won't even notice their absence until they're gone. This is the secret that breaks them slowly, silently, as they pretend to be strong. So here we are. 5 secrets parents never tell you. The dreams they buried, the fear of becoming a burden, the regrets they carry, the love they hide, and the silent terror of losing you. These are the truths carved into their souls, hidden behind every smile, every word of advice, every sacrifice you thought was small but was in fact their entire world. And when you think about it, you realize, parents are not just the people who raised you. They are the silent warriors who lived entire lives of sacrifice without ever asking for applause. The next time you look into their eyes, remember the secrets they carry. And maybe, just maybe, let them know you see them, love them, and honor the truth they could never say out loud. Because at the end of the day, the greatest tragedy is not what parents never tell you. It's what you never told them while they were still here to listen.